morning. Today I Heli Patel. I am going to explain about rabies virus. What is rabies? Rabies is a preventable viral disease, most often transmitted through the bite of a rabid animal. The rabies virus infects the central nervous system of the mammals, including the spinal cord and brain. Rabies is a zoonotic disease. Zoonotic disease means a disease that is transmitted from animals to humans. Rabies virus. Rod or bullet-shaped morphology. These viruses are enveloped and have a single-stranded RNA genome with a negative sense. Rabies virus is a non-segmented. The virus genome encodes 5 proteins: RNA, glycoprotein, matrix protein, polymerase, and phosphoprotein. The virus can affect the body in one of two ways. It enters the peripheral nervous system directly and migrates to the brain. Second, it replicates within a muscle tissue where it is safe from the host immune system. From here, it enters the nervous system through the neuromuscular junction. Rabies transmission. Rabies virus is transmitted through direct contact, such as through broken skin or mucous membranes in the eyes, nose or mouth with saliva, or a brain nervous system tissue from an infected animal. Dog to human infection of rabies. First, virus enters tissue from saliva of biting animals. Second, virus replicate in muscle near bite. Third, virus move up peripheral nervous system to central nervous system. Fourth, virus ascends spinal cord. Fifth, virus reach the brain and cause fatal encephalitis. Sixth, virus enters saliva gland and other organ of victim. Causes. Rabies infection is caused by the rabies virus. The virus is spread through the saliva of infected animals. Infected animals can spread the virus by biting another animal or a person. In rare case, rabies can be spread when infected saliva gets into an open wound or the mucous membrane, such as the mouth or eyes. This could occur if an infected animal were to lick and open cut on you. Symptoms. Rabies progress in five stages. First, incubation. Second, prodrome. Third, acute neurologic period. Fourth, coma. Fifth, death. First, incubation period. This is the time before symptoms appear. It usually lasts for 3 to 12 weeks, but it can be takes a little as a 5 days or more than 2 years. The closer the bite is to the brain, the sooner the effects are likely to appear. By the time symptoms appear, rabies is usually fatal. Anyone who may have been exposed to the virus should seek medical help at once without waiting for symptoms. Symptoms like headache, fever, burning at sight of a bite or scratches. Second, prodromal period. Early flu-like symptoms include fever, headache, anxiety, sore throat, feeling generally unwell, cough, vomiting. This can last from 2 to 10 days and they worsen over time. Acute neurologic period. Neurologic symptoms develop include confusion, aggressive, partial paralysis, involuntary muscles twitching and rigid neck muscles, convulsions, hyperventilation, difficulty breathing, hypersalivation or producing a lot of saliva, fear of water or hydrophobia, photophobia. Toward the end of this phase, breathing becomes rapid and inconsistent. Coma and death. If the person enters a coma, death will occur within a matter of hours unless they are attached to a ventilator. Rarely a person may recover at this last. Why does rabies cause a fear of water? Rabies used to be known as a hydrophobia because it appeared to cause a fear of water. Intense spasms in the throat are triggered when trying to swallow. Even the thought of swallowing water can cause the spasms. This is where the fear comes from. The excess saliva that occur in probably due to the impact of the virus on the nervous system. If the individual could swallow saliva easily, this would reduce the risk of spreading the virus to a new. Next, prevention of human rabies. Wash the wound with water and soap. Apply antiseptic. Do not cover the wound and vaccinate immediately. Diagnosis. At the time of a bite, there is usually no way to tell for sure whether an animal is rabid or whether it has passed on an infection. Lab tests may show antibodies, but these may not appear until later in the development of the disease. The virus may be isolated from a saliva or through a skin biopsy. However, by the time a diagnosis is confirmed, it may be too late to take action. For this reason, the patients will normally start a course of prophylactic treatment at once without waiting for a confirmed diagnosis. If a person develops symptoms of viral encephalitis following an animal bite, they should be treated as if they may have a rabies treatment. Rabies shots include a fast-acting shots, rabies immunoglobulin to prevent the virus from infecting you. Part of this injection is given near the area where the animal bite you, if possible as soon as possible after the bite. A series of rabies vaccinations to help your body learn to identify and fight the rabies virus. Rabies vaccinations are given as an injection in your arm. You receive 4 injections over 40 days. Thank you.